So the first question is, does the finance minister dictate to the PIOJ how they should collect data and what the statistics that they put out should be?
Absolutely not. In fact, for this data that we're talking about, it's Statin that collects it, and the PIOJ does the analysis of it and put out the report. Absolutely not. These entities, Statin, PIOJ, the Bank of Jamaica, lots of other entities in government, they operate independently without interference from the political directorate. And you can do your surveys of them. Many of them have laws to protect that. And so I would just categorically say absolutely not.
Yeah.
In fact, when PIOJ is publishing the GDP numbers, we don't get to see it ahead of when they're publishing it. We don't get to see the unemployment numbers ahead of when they're being published. So that's to tell you that there is absolutely no interference of these entities whatsoever.
Yeah, and it was important for me to just clarify that, because there are some people who are hell bent on spinning this narrative and pushing this narrative that this government somehow, this one specifically,